Hi! Go there! Go there!
Friendship is magic. Next on Treehouse. A special time of the year.
Hey, everybody.
With a holiday hooray. All your favorite friends are feasting.
How's the Christmas feast coming along?
Who wants to go to my house for some eggnog?
And feeling the festivities.
Santa Claus!
Now, friends, it's 3 magical days filled with the best of the season. Holiday hooray continues on Treehouse.
Happy holidays from Treehouse.
Someone special comes home to the castle this Christmas.
Hi, Guinevere.
And if this horse is here, that means...
Dad!
Well, if you insist.
But while playing a family board game,
Oh, that felt strange. What happened?
some magic goes wrong.
We're going to miss Christmas. I think I know what we need to do.
And it's going to take a night to make things right. Mike the Night and the Christmas tonight at 6:30 on Treehouse.
Shaner!